Hello friends, I'm back again with a new interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now today we will solve a problem, or you can say a question, which maybe you also have this question in your mind, which is how we can filter our data, that is our report, by last X days or last X month, or you can say last 5 years or 10 years automatically. So let me show you how we can do this. So for that, what we need is we need some visuals here. So let's add some visuals. So I'll add, let's say, a map here. I'll add a map, which is total sales, which is generated by the countries. So we have this. I'll just format it here, and I'll add, let's say, a column chart, stacked column chart, and here I'll add total sales. Let's add total amount here. Let's add total amount, which is generated by, let's say, yeah, employees. So we have total sales generated by employees, and I'll add another, that is donut chart, and let's add here amount generated by the category wise amount generated. Now what I'll do, I'll add amount also in between here in the center of this donut chart. So I'll add a card here, and I'll add amount, and let's remove this category label, and let's say this is 30. So let's place it here. Now what I'll do, I'll change the theme. So I'll change this to black. Now what I'll do, I'll add a slicer here. So I'll add a slicer, which is of course a date slicer here, because what we want is we want last X days or last X month. So we need a date slicer. So I'll add a date slicer. Now you can see we got the date slicer, but we need to change the slicer. So what I'll do, I'll go to this format visual and the slicer setting, and from the style I'll change this to relative date, and let's increase the values here. So let's say 15. Yeah, 15. So we have the date slicer. Now you can see we have the fields like last, and this is next, and we have this. So if I select this, and this day sales, you can see we don't have anything, because we have the data for until 2019 or 2018 maybe. So if I select this week also, this data wouldn't be appeared here. Now what I'll do, I'll say I want last, let's say last year sales. So you can see we don't have the sales here because we are currently in 2014, 2024. So what I'll do, I'll change this to, let's say, last 6 year sales. So let's see, you can see. So this is 2014, sorry, 2024, and minus of 2018. So you can see we have the last 6 year sales figures. Uh, Now what I'll do, I'll change this to, let's say, last 10 years. Let's see. I can see we have last 10 years, means we have 2014 to 2024. Yes. Now you can change this to month also. This is by month also, but we don't have the information. So that's why I'll just say 40 months. So let's say last 130 months. You can see last 30 months we have the data, because we are in 2013. Then maybe let's see, by day wise, let's say last 13,000, 1,000. We have the last 1,000 date sales figures. So I know it is quite simple, but I want to address this